We'll guide you through how to install WhatsApp in Knox App Player. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, turn on your PC and wait until the system fully loads to the desktop screen. Then open a web browser, for example Google Chrome, so you can search for the application you need. Double-click the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop to open it properly. In the browser search bar, type Download Knox Player, then press Enter on your keyboard to start searching. After the search results appear, make sure you choose the official website to avoid downloading files from unsafe sources. The official Knox Player website is www.bigknox.com, so confirm that the address matches correctly. Open the website and click the download button displayed on the main page. Click the download icon in your browser to view the download progress, and wait patiently until it finishes. Once the download is complete, click the exe file to start the installation process. When the pop-up window appears on your screen, click Install to continue. After the installation finishes, follow the pop-up instructions to restart your computer if needed to complete the setup. Once completed, the Knox shortcut will appear on your desktop screen automatically. Double-click the Knox shortcut to open the application and wait for it to load fully. After Knox Player opens, you will see several pre-installed applications available on the home screen. Open the Tools folder to access additional system apps. Swipe the screen carefully to find the Play Store application inside the folder. Open the Play Store and sign in to your Google account using your email and password. After signing in successfully, select WhatsApp Messenger from the recommendations shown on the screen. Click Install to begin installing WhatsApp on the emulator. Once the installation is complete, you can click Open to launch WhatsApp immediately. Return to the Knox Player home screen, and you will see that WhatsApp is now successfully installed in Knox Player. You can repeat the same steps to download and install other applications as needed. Simply return to the Tools folder, swipe to find the Play Store, and search for the application you want to install.